Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and today we're going to make a card that can be used for any occasion. So let's get started. With this card, you can use it for any occasion. It's a real simple card, and you can make a bunch of them, and you can use the stuff that you have in your stash. So what I did was I took my circle punch and I just cut these circles out of just some random pieces of scrap paper that I had. And so I thought this was a really pretty color. And then I started just pulling papers out of my stash. And so this is the color scheme for this card. So just imagine all of the papers that you have like this, and you can use those to punch circles in them. Just another way to use your scraps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line up these circles on my card. And I thought this would be super cute. So I've got 9 circles. And this paper is absolutely beautiful on that kind of mint green. And so I'm just going to start lining them up like this. So I just want to show you the idea that I have in my head right now is to have them like this. So I want it to be like this, and then I want it to be on this peach paper. So I thought that would be a nice color combination. And then I'm going to use the white background here. The card base will be white. So look how cute. And you don't even have to have a sentiment on there. So see how simple that is? Now, if you want, just another idea is to, if you want to add a sentiment, you can move these circles up a little bit. So I'm just giving you other options. And then you can take another piece of smaller cardstock and cut it down, stamp your sentiment on here, and then place it right there. Just another idea for you. But I'm going to do it the other way because I don't want to have a sentiment on the front. Okay, so these are all glued on, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to that really pretty peach paper. And this is so cute because you can use this as a birthday card, a thank you card. And the nice thing is I like the fact that I can just take whatever I have in my stash, which makes it even better, and use what I already have. So if you are thinking that you have to always have a sentiment on the front of your card, you sure don't. You can do whatever you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna, now if I wanted to, I could mount this using my mounting tape, but I'm gonna just have it lay flat because I'm gonna add something else onto this. So look how cute that looks. So quick and easy, and then you can make a bunch of these, save them for later, and then add the sentiment inside as the occasion permits. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I've got some pearls here. I love these pearls because I use them on a lot of different projects, and they have that flat back on them. So I'm going to add some pearls onto my card too. See if I can get some of the same sizes. I want them all to be the same size. So I'm just going to add some pearls on here. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use my art glitter glue. And I need this handy tool right here also. This is my quick stick tool. Another one of my favorites. Okay, so I'm creating a pattern here. I don't know if you noticed that. So I could call this card Circles and Pearls. I'm just creating patterns basically. And look how cute that is. How adorable is that? And now if I want, I can just add just a little bit of, I'm going to kind of connect these, connect my little circles here. And all I'm doing really is creating patterns. How fun is that? I am loving it. And so I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm not going to stamp anything on the inside. This is just a card without a sentiment on the front. And I hope you like this idea. Let me show you the other one that I did. Here's another one. I just mixed some fun papers that I had left over from another project that I did. And I just did the same little pattern, and look how you just have two different unique cards. And I just left it blank inside and put the orange backing with little white frame around it just to bring it out a little bit. And I just went in a little bit more with the stitching on there around the edges. So I hope you like this idea. I told you it was really a quick one and super easy to make. So go ahead and get your stash out and start making some really pretty and unique cards. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.